Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera everyone. So in this video, I will be presenting to you about my project for CSC264. Well, for my project, I created an app called WeDev, which is a freelance platform. The reason why I created this app for my project is because as a website developer myself, as a freelancer in website developing myself, I find it sometimes quite hard to find a client or a job. So I believe by creating this app for computer science students and computer science workers, it will be easier for them to find a job in freelancing. There are two users in this app, which are the clients and the developer. The client can post a project that is suitable for their business, and then the developer can find a project that they are confident in and then apply that project. Then the client will approve or reject the developer based on their liking. Okay, so now I have quite a lot of screens in my application. Well, I have about 23 screens, and if we count menu as a screen, then maybe it's 24. So the screens are applications received, apply project, chat, client's home, client profile view, developer home, developer profile view, find projects, messages, my applications, my projects, notifications, post project, profile, profile details, register, review client, review developer, saved projects, screen 1, which is the login screen, settings, update profile, user reviews, and also menu. Alright, let me show you how my application works. Welcome to WeDev. This is the login screen where the user needs to insert the email and password of their account. But first, let's register an account to choose your role in this app. Now let's log in. Here, I will also show what will happen if the email or password is wrong. If the password is wrong, there will be a notice in red color stated wrong password. And if the email is wrong, there will be a notice in also red color stated email not found. Okay, so this is the home page for the developer, and the 3-bar button on the left, here is the menu option for the developer. On the top right, we have notification button to notify the user about their project if there are any messages, which I'm going to demonstrate later. On the middle, there are 2 buttons, find projects for the developer to find a new project, and my applications for the user to see the status of their application. And on the bottom, there are a few buttons for developers, navigations, which are home that we are currently in, projects for the user to find projects, messages for the user to message each other between developer and the client, and then the profile for the user to check on their profile and update if they want to update their profile. I will demonstrate how the user can change the photo of their profile and update their bio and skills, and then save the changes. Now I'm going to show you how the users interact with each other. So bear with me because we are going to go back to back from client to developer and from developer to client. Okay, so I have already logged in as the client now. As you can see here, this is the home page of the client side of the application. Okay, so at the top left we have the menu button, and the top right we have the notification button, the same as the developer, and then in the middle we have my projects for the client to view the current projects that they have already posted, and then we have add project if the clients want to add another project. Now in the middle we can see there is an overview, which is the status of the project or history of the project. So you can see there are 2 projects and both of that project is already completed. So the overview, there are 2 projects, 0 ongoing and 2 completed. Next, let's go to projects and let's post a new project or add a new project. So after a project is posted successfully, you can click on the project to edit project, mark on progress, project to set the project as completed, and to delete the project. So now let's try to edit the project. Right now we are logged in as the developer. Then let's try to apply for a project. As you can see, the project that we posted earlier as the client is already here, Restaurant Mamak website. Okay, before we apply the project, let's see how the save function will work. Okay, so now let's try to save the project. Okay, so then we go to the menu and go to save projects, and we can see the projects that we have already saved earlier is in the save projects. Now let's apply for the project. Okay, now after we have applied for this project, the status will be seen as pending. You can see now the status that project is still open, but our application is now pending. Right now we are logged back in as the client. Okay, let's go to my projects and go to applications to see the applications that we got from the developer. Okay, so we can see here that there is a history of this client, of their project and their developers. And now we can see there are two projects that are already accepted and one project that is already pending. The pending projects is the projects that we have applied earlier as the developer. Okay, so let's approve this developer. And then we view the developer profile. Okay, then we message the developer. Let's say let's do this. Right now the message is sent. Now we can update the project as on progress. So the status is now ongoing. Currently, I have logged back in again as the developer. So here, let me show you how the notifications work in this app. So you can see there are a lot of notifications here, and we can set the notification as read, and also we can delete a notification if we want to. So this applies for both client and developer. Now let's go to the message as the developer. Let's go to the message to see a new message from the client, because earlier as the client we sent a message to the developer, right? Alright, that is the available messages, and then we open the chat and reply the chat of the client. And now I have logged back in again as the client, and then let's try to update our project to completed. After the project is marked as completed, now we can finally open the project to review the hired developer. Okay, so let's review the developer. We can also read the reviews that the developer have for their past projects. Now I have logged back in again as the developer to review the clients. Now let's go to application and choose the project that are already completed recently. And then you can see that there is an option to review clients. So let's review the clients. And then we can also see the reviews of the clients from the past projects. Okay, so now let me show you the settings in this app. Okay, as you can see, we have quite a lot of features in this app, which are the theme to change from light mode to dark mode, text size, language, the accessibility, height contrast, reduced motion, screen reader support, notifications, in-app notifications, email notifications, push notifications. Okay, but for now, truth to be told, the only features that is available and functional is the theme. So in the future, if I have the chance, maybe I will try to implement the other features. Okay, that is all from me. I hope you are enjoying my presentation. Thank you for watching.